Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. Your girl Black Forest Princess here. Good morning. Taking my baby to school, guys. It's so cold. It's very cold. And let me show you the sunrise.
Mama,
Look at that, guys.
Mama.
Look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
Mama.
Forest. And guys, look at that. I told you we see rainbows here every now and then. Look at that, guys. Good morning. It's 7 in the morning. I'm taking my baby to school. And see, guys, what we are seeing. A rainbow. And if we turn around, the sunrise is there. And rainbow, guys, look. And this video was so unplanned, and I hope everyone is doing well. If you are not doing okay, this rainbow is for you, and I hope it's going to brighten your day.
The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago, I've changed for the better.
Welcome to Black Forest. It's very cold, guys. That's me. And
just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot.
I'm so packed, guys. It's very cold. Ooh.
Things are not the same.
It's really cold.
They were a year ago.
Our beautiful sunrise. And behind me, rainbow.
Way back a year ago.
Imagine waking up to this when you're having a bad day. so far.
Kindergaten.
Yeah. We only walk 4 minutes to kindergarten. It's not so far. 4 minutes to kindy. So guys, I just dropped my baby to kindergarten and now I'm walking home. So I got so excited seeing the rainbow, guys, and I didn't even introduce myself. So for those who are new to my channel, guys, welcome. And I'm trying to come back. Oh, look at that. Woo. We are entering winter and it's very cold. So guys, yeah, I just dropped my baby to kindergarten and we just saw a beautiful rainbow. I love rainbows, guys. I really love rainbows. So guys, from next week I'll be posting more videos. We are not sleeping. It's Christmas season. We are not sleeping, and so we are back. Let's be serious. Let's be serious. Look, guys, all these leaves are going to be collected. So when winter comes, like when it starts to snow, you won't see all these leaves. They're going to clean all these leaves. Can you imagine? They're going to clean all these leaves. And when I'll be making videos, it will look very different. Oh, that's my favorite tree there. Ooh, the sunrise. I call it the tree of life. It's so beautiful. Look at that. So I just dropped my baby to kindergarten and I'm just gonna try to do some work in our garden because we have a lot to do. We really have a lot to do. So, and guys, this video was so random. You see, they're collecting them already. They're collecting the leaves, and all this will be clean. Normally it's clean. You know, our place is usually very clean, but the trees are shedding leaves. It's autumn, close to winter. So I just did the review, guys. Like I said, the video was very random. Woo, very good. And so from next week, guys, I'll be posting regularly. And Christmas time is going to be so much work. Let me put the face in. Very cold. I didn't wear my gloves. So
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky.
So fam, as you can see, I just came back from dropping my baby to kindergarten, and I came back. The rainbow is still there. It just came back. So I just dropped my baby to kindy, and so I'm ending this video, guys. This video was very random. Where is my rainbow? There. It was very random. I just want to thank guys. I want to thank you for being patient, for your love and your support always. And guys, I took a short break because you know why? We were very sick, guys. You know, usually in October it's always like everybody gets sick, guys. Everybody gets sick, and it's always a very bad cold. Everybody is coughing. So it was the small boy, and then it was me, and then it was my husband and the my other baby. So we are now back. We are 100% healthy, and we are preparing for winter. And yeah, so guys, I'm going to try to come back. I'll try and post more videos for you, and yeah, so thank you for sticking by. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support, for your beautiful comments. I love you guys. And rainbow for each and every one of you. Like I always say, when I see a rainbow, I say for each and everyone who is going through something, may you heal, may all your troubles come to pass, and virtual hugs and love. So until next time, guys, I love you, and thank you so much for subscribing, for your love. And so yeah, thank you, and until next time, bye guys.